So I've been organizing for like the past 30 minutes, just trying to get my environment straightened up a bit so that way I can think and move through my day a little easier. I know that sounds silly to some people. My house isn't even that messy, but I just see things that I need to do, and when I know I need to do more, it feels like it tacks on and it feels heavier and weighs more. And so if I can just take like 30 minutes to an hour, straighten things up that are really bugging me. One of them is this floor. I had mentioned it yesterday that I have mud spots on my floor from like snow days, and there's like some mess out, and I just like my living room to be clean. I really enjoy if my kitchen can be clean. Not always possible, but I'm gonna take 30 more minutes and tidy up and call it and move forward with my next phase of my day. I've got trash I want to take out and some dishes I want to get done over there. And I've started some laundry. I've got some laundry going back here. I know you can hear it. Got laundry going on. This is going to be a project one day with you guys, finishing up that area. And I've got my sheets off my bed washing. Clean sheets are always nice. I had accumulated some crumbs from children getting in my bed, trying to watch my TV and doing all those things. I do not like laying on crumbs. And I've got some items I'm going to get rid of here and some laundry I need to put away. But my main focus is my living room and my kitchen right now. And my bedroom I can take care of later on after I get the tasks I need done today. So let's go ahead and do it. I'll let you guys hang out with me while I clean. Clean, clean, clean. Let's go. It is the weekend. Today's Friday. So my kids are going to be out of school for 3 days, so I'm going to lay out some meat or like things that I think that I'll need this weekend. So they'll be thawing, and I'll have them on hand. So I've laid out everything I got from my last pantry haul here. Got the hamburger, the pork chops, and the chicken thighs. I'll use those this weekend. And I'm actually gonna put them over here because I'm gonna start on these dishes. This towel needs to be washed anyway, so I'm gonna lay my meat there. It's dirty. Yet to have any caffeine this morning. I want like some iced coffee. I might make some iced coffee. I'll do it after I do the dishes. All right, that's done. I ran out of incense yesterday, and it might sound silly, but they really impact my mood. Like, when I get home in the morning after dropping the girls off, I always light an incense in the kitchen so it smells the house. And it smells up the house with this very nice smell. And anyway, so I'm going to have to buy incense today. I also ran out of these mop pads just now, which is unfortunate. So, got some things I need to add to my list. I can go without the mop pads. I got the area that I needed mopped done, but the incense, I need them. That sounds crazy, giving up mop pads for incense, but it's just like a morning ritual thing I do. Like, it just helps my day move along. I can notice that that the house isn't smelling of like the smell that I like. And yeah, gonna add that to my list when I go into town here in a little bit. Let's continue on. Keep trudging forward. Okay, it's time for coffee. I have no idea how much time I've spent. Probably like 30-40 minutes cleaning. And then the 30 more minutes I cleaned before I started this video. So it is time for me to do other things. I gotta work on other things in my day. I need some caffeine. I'm gonna make coffee. I'm gonna make some iced coffee. I want some iced coffee. I'm gonna make that, and then I'm gonna have to go look at my to-do list and see what I need to do. I know I need to get some packages sent off, but before I can send those packages off, I have to go to the library to print off my labels because my printer is out of ink. Unfortunately, that's how I've been printing them out, and it's only 10 cents to print out a sheet of paper there, so it's cheaper right now for me to just print off the labels at the library and then send those out. And I really want to work on some jewelry. I really need to get some things on Etsy. This is the thing, is I like to work on the jewelry, but I don't like putting it on the Etsy. I need to put the things on Etsy, and then I can work on some more jewelry. When you put it on Etsy, you have to weigh your item and then measure it, what the package is going to be like. So that way they have a good estimate of how much to charge for shipping. So there's a lot of back work uploading to Etsy. And I'm still just getting used to it and all the steps you have to go through. It's way more steps uploading to Etsy than it is uploading to YouTube. Yeah, so let's get coffee and let's get these packages out. So gotta run to the library so I can finish those packages. All right, I'm gonna make some coffees. I keep cleaning off camera. I'm done. I'm done, okay? I've spent my whole day almost cleaning. I got hyper focused on it. Let's make some iced coffee and let's move out of this workhorse clean phase. All right, let's make some iced coffee. All right, I'm gonna add some mushroom coffee here. I love drinking out of mason jars. Okay, gonna add in my boost, my mushroom elixir. Gonna add in a spoonful of cacao, however you want to say it. Coffee, check. Cheers. That's good. That's good. That's what I need. That's what I need. All right. I'm going to get out of the house and go take care of these packages. That's what we're doing. I'm gonna drink my coffee first. All right. I am at the bus stop waiting for Willow. And I went by the store, got the things I needed, went to the library, got my labels printed out, went to the post office and shipped those out. And also I got money out for my landlord, which means I only owe $200 more, and I'll be caught up to January, and then I just have to pay my January bills. So I'm almost there. Yeah, if you stuck around for this video, I really appreciate you. It's a lot of running around. And I'll be making another video later. I'm making dinner with my pantry items. So, yeah, I appreciate you. I love you so much. And until next time, bye. Bye.